Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on a new tool that came out with Google called Jamboard. You're going to need to download it to your iPad. So you're going to go to self-service. They're in alphabetical order. And once you get down to J, you can see the orange line with the yellow circle and download it. Once you download it, you're going to want to create one. This is just a whiteboard. It's going to be a great way for you to do learning with your students when you're in their virtual classrooms. What you need to do is turn on link sharing. You're going to click the green arrow and make sure that it allows people to edit it when you share the link. This way, if you do an assignment, all the students can either write on it or add a sticky note, or you can just keep it view only so that they can see what you've done. I'm going to add the Jamboard to Google Classroom after I've copied the links. And I'm just going to recreate a lesson I do already, solve the date every day. So the students have to create expressions that equal the date and then share one using a sticky note to the Jamboard. I add the link, and this is just a recreated assignment. I give them till 8 o'clock the next day to turn this assignment in. It counts as attendance as well as a class participation grade. And I'm going to go back to the Jamboard. I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to just write. I can erase. I can clear the whole screen. I can just point at things. This is a laser pointer. I can add a sticky note. Now, this is what I ask my students to do. It's a great way to summarize learning, do an exit ticket, and have them post it with their name on the Jamboard. You can add stickers. Good job. There is assistive touches and assistive ways of doing this. I'm going to do the assistive drawing tool, which is pretty cool because I am a terrible drawer, as you'll see. And I'm going to try the cat. It actually thinks I'm trying to make a frog at first, but then I can just add a nice little sketched cat. Either way, I'm going to rename the board so I know where to find it, and this is just an example. And I'm going to share it. I'm just going to put in the team members from the Vanguards. You have Mr. Gable, you have Miss McGlory, you have Mrs. Ferguson, and you have Mrs. Sanders. And I'm just going to write a little note that this is a tutorial. Hope this is a tool you'll use. Have a good one.